Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Best Crypto Earning Tips. Today I will talk about a very important bounty program, YFL TD. This is a very good bounty program. As you know already, they are running their third campaign. As in earlier you can see, I have uploaded two video in my channel about Yarn Finance Limited Editions bounty program. So today I will talk about their new pre-sale bounty program YFL TD. This is their token name, and you already know the rules, campaign rules, what to do and what not to do. So in short, I will talk about how you can join this campaign. So you must have to join their Telegram group by clicking on here. There is two Telegram group. One is their official Telegram group, and second one is their bounty related Telegram group. You must be join there. All participants must be submit their proof of authentication. Here is their proof of authentication code. You can use the proof of authentication code by clicking the replay button here. You can see there is a some information to put input. So what is your forum username, and the second one is forum profile link and Telegram username, and which campaign you want to participate in, and at last the Ethereum wallet address. So you can see there is a Twitter campaign, Telegram campaign, article campaign, YouTube campaign, graphics campaign, and all the campaigns having some campaign rules to join their campaign. So you must be follow their rules, otherwise you will be disqualified to rewarding from rewarding any token when they will just distribute the token after the campaign has been ended. So to joining the Twitter campaign, you must have to follow their Twitter official Twitter profile, and your account must be 1000 plus followers and must be original. You must be 85% score in Twitter audit. So what you have to do in every week, you have to do 3 retweets from their tweets from their Twitter profile page, and create at least 3 unique tweets about their project per week, and using the hashtags of their website link, and the hashtags there states in here, and total number of participants is 400. So you can see this is a limited number of participants they will just allow. So as early as the campaign the participated person limitation will be reached, so do it right now. And after that you can see the Telegram campaign. Here is also some rules, you can read it out from here. And article campaign, you must have to follow their campaign rules of 500 words per article, and you can submit 2 articles per person, and your article must contain 3 images of their project, link to their website and Telegram group. And also you must have to input your Bitcoin Talk username on the bottom of the article to recognizing your post. So after that you can see the YouTube campaign. You can also create a YouTube video for their YouTube campaign. In this case you must be made by yourself the video, and video length must be 2 minutes long and uploaded to the YouTube. Your video must have 100 views minimum, otherwise it will be disqualified, they are stating. And also you a single user can post 2 video maximum. Also there is some other rules. Video description must have the website link and Telegram group link, and you must input your Bitcoin Talk username as usual. I said about the article campaign, same as article campaign. And for the graphics campaign, graphics must be original and made by you. You have to create a graphics about their regarding their campaign. Copy paste is not allowed for this, and you will be disqualified for this. So let's go to their website. Here is their website. As you know already that how it will work, and you can see the pre-sale round 2 live in 8 days, 1 hour 34 minutes and 51 seconds, and it's counting. So if you want to buy their buy their token on pre-sale, you can visit there, and you already know that they are already listed on the Uniswap. You can see they are having a very good token price already. So guys, if you didn't join it yet, please join it right now. This will be a great project. Trust me, this will be a great project. I'm saying again, you can see it's already having a price of 69.44 USD right now, and with 5.36% plus surplus. So in future that might be a very good one. You can see there are a lot of coin got a great boost after they listed on the very good exchanges. In future they will just list on the Hotbit also. You can see they are stating that in their roadmap. So be hurry if you didn't join it yet. First of all, you can do their bounty. There is a good project. You can see already we told you about that, and you can also participate on their pre-sale if you have money to invest on them. So that's it from now. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for this video, and don't forget to hit the bell button. When I will upload a new video, you will get a notification by them. Thank you.